Take it. I've been here the whole time. Check me out. So look, I'm gonna turn the video off. I wanted to show you I'm here. Okay. Check me out. Listen to me. As you just seen, we're up 63%. $634 doing nothing. Hands free. All this is hands free. Using my robot Bruce's money machine. I'm on my investor account, so you can't see the robot in this corner. It's actually on this computer to my left, my other monitor. As you see, wins always are bigger than losses. It's all about wins bigger than losses. Wins bigger than losses. Take profit always gets hit. Okay. Bruce's money machine. I'm gonna have a Telegram link under this video. In the description of this video, I'll have a Telegram link. Go to that Telegram link. There you'll see my username. With the link, you can message me. Message me, Bruce Webb, directly and ask me for payment, you know what I'm saying, details. How can you get the Bruce's money machine? Okay. It's a small monthly fee or a small one-time fee. Message me on Telegram. Okay. Message me on Telegram and I'll give you all the details about how you can get this money machine. Small drawdown, and this is actually big drawdown right now, but compared to what it usually is. But after drawdown comes money. That's how it works. But if you want more details, just message me on Telegram. Find this video. The link is under the description. The link is in the description, under the description, however you want to see it. But I just want to give y'all updates. Keep updating y'all. I'm up 634 bucks in 23 trading days. One trading month is 20 days. So 1 month and 3 days, $634. All I did was put in $1,000. You can see this is a live account. See the withdrawal. Pretty simple. So get at me. All right, y'all. This is the end. I'm out. I'm about to end the video. Go get the Telegram link in the description of this video. Go click it. That's where I'll be posting profits. Matter of fact, this is it right here. Bruce's money machine. This is the Telegram. So when you click on the link, this is where you come up to the pin message. You can see my Telegram name, Bruce Pips Galore, right here. Come up here, click this, and it'll take you to the pin message where you can click the link and message me. 1386 people in this channel. Okay, you see the profits past couple days. It's the same account. This is a 26K account. Made 628 today. There's plenty of there's plenty of testimonials. There's plenty of all that. Just go to the Telegram. Go to the Telegram, check everything out. Okay? Everyone's happy. Everyone's making money. Just reach out to me. Let's get it. Go to my Telegram if you want to just watch profits every day. Other than that, we making money every day doing nothing, y'all. Let's get it. I'm out. Hey, hold on.